Should you buy Tesla? That's what we're going to be covering today. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe. Tesla has squeezed up 60% in literally 1 month of trading. So we're going to be covering, does this represent a good opportunity to ride that momentum? Or you hear that expression, buy low, sell high, and this stock is hitting some highs recently. So should you buy those highs? So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. It's absolutely fantastic. We have private live streams, we have quizzes, we have lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we teach you to trade. We teach you how to use scanners to find undervalued stocks. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's nothing like that. We just teach you strategies. You guys can ask questions and all that stuff. So check it out. We have our Black Friday sale going on, so you guys can get 51% off. Largest sale we've ever done. So check it out. Code Black Friday for 51% off. So guys, let's jump into this here. So like I said, Tesla has squeezed up over 60% in literally about a month and a half of trading. A lot of this did come from an earnings report, which caused it to spike up about 30%, and then another 30% was, in my opinion, because of President-elect Donald Trump. We saw a huge correlation when Elon Musk and Trump actually won the presidency. This stock squeezed up like crazy, and it just continued to rally. We did get a little dip down, but now it's just caught on fire. This thing is moving and grooving its way up. So, I think we all know, first of all, what Tesla is, right? Tesla is, it's one of the largest electric car manufacturers in the entire world. But, more importantly, buying a Tesla, in my opinion, is like buying an Apple product. It's the name that carries a lot of its value, and more importantly, it's more than just an electric car manufacturer. This company is highly invested into AI, autonomous driving. They just released a little bit ago their new taxi event, which was crazy, the Tesla robot. So, yes, they do sell cars, but it's like more of like a tech company, in my personal opinion. So let's look at the chart here and kind of see what's going on with this thing. So looking at, this 1 month performance we've seen is honestly a little crazy. The stock went from $214 all the way up to over $361 a share, which, return wise, that is billions of dollars in market cap. And that is 66% in literally about a month of trading. So yes, this stock did squeeze up. And, looking at the hourly chart, we did take a trade on this. For those of you that remember, we took a short trade back in here to catch this wave down. And then it just broke out and started going up like crazy again. So, everybody asks, should you buy Tesla? So first, I think it's always important, to answer that question of time frame. Right now Tesla is hitting all, highs in the past, year or so. So yes, right now you could be paying a premium for Tesla. I'll be honest with you, you could be. And if you're expecting to get in and out of position with this within the next year, I probably wouldn't buy this stock right now. I think the best approach for Tesla is long term. I think right now, if you're looking for more of a long-term approach, I think dollar cost averaging and not really paying too much attention to where the stock is and just using general sell-off as opportunity, to invest into this thing, right? Looking at this here, you guys can see just the general trend line here. If it dips down more than, 10%, just buy a little bit, start that process of using sell-off as opportunity, as well as looking at some of Tesla's, general fundamentals here. We can actually see like their financial statement here, and we've seen their revenue increase 7%. We've seen the cost increase, the gross profit margin, their operating profit, which is super important. This is like all of the leftover money other than like taxes and, debt to, or interest to debt, so to speak. And, this has grown 57%, which I do think we could see a little dip down, kind of like how we saw it in here, because Tesla just actually announced a couple of price cuts, which actually come straight from the profit. So I do think we could see that dip down as well. But like I said, should you buy Tesla? A lot of it just comes down to you and your risk tolerance, right? If you're planning to hold this position for a day, I think, or a week or so, it's going to be a risky time to buy because it's at, highs in the past, year. So yeah, you could be paying a little premium for this position and will probably get a little dip down. But if you're looking to hold this for 5-10 years, then yeah, looking back in 5-10 years, you're really not gonna it's not going to matter, so to speak, where you got in, because you can use that sell off and get in on a lower price. You can average down your position. So that's the approach I have with Tesla. And Tesla is always in the news for different things, and so it's a pretty volatile stock just based off of that. And you have to be willing to hold it during those swings. And sometimes, guys, I've held Tesla since I was about 18 years old, maybe 19. So I've been in positions where this thing has ripped up and sold off like crazy. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one. Take care.